and welcome to our second day. This is where we actually met up with the Motourev gang and did the ride around the Elan Valley.
So after a great night's sleep, we had breakfast with a lovely couple who were really funny, and then we headed off to meet the Motourev lot. It was a bit of a tight squeeze to get out of the car park, but we made it.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You catch us on the way to go and meet the others. Just had a hearty breakfast, just had to leave the car park, which this morning was a little bit awkward because there was someone who was valeting and somebody had parked across the driveway, as you saw. It was a little bit awkward, but we're out, so it's all good. And we got to go and buy some lunch, which hopefully we'll get from a spa. Right, it'll be 2 minutes, right? Oh my god. Cat whisperer. Right, that is lunch bought. And us moaning at each other first thing in the morning, that's always good.
So after a quick stop to stock up on lunch and make a new furry friend, we headed to the visitors centre, which was only a few minutes down the road.
Wow, let's see how many are here then. It's very pretty, isn't it? You can tell you're in Wales and near a dam actually. Chickens. Stuck. There we go. Alright, how are we doing? Are we in there or over here?
Not too sure,
It said grassy bit.
Yeah,
Cause that's a bit steep.
just a little.
So after chatting to a few of the early arrivals, everybody else had arrived, and we met up with Mr. Pierce, had a quick chat, and then listened to the Motourev lot telling us about the route and which way we'd be heading, and then we set off.
Craig, the ride leader, took us through some pretty narrow country roads to begin with, which seemed pretty ambitious for 50 plus bikes, but they were good roads.
It was definitely a route we hadn't done before, and I don't envy Craig in taking 50 bikes down them. We did have one off.
Yeah.
Nothing major.
Yeah, everyone was alright and they carried on with the ride, but the 50 bikes sort of explain why our cardos kept cutting in and out.
Yeah, I think we were getting a lot of interference.
Cardos are having trouble. That's quite impressive back there. There's pretty. It'd look better if you were in front of me, mind. You're supposed to say thank you. But you're welcome anyway. You're welcome. Oh, there's a graveyard. That's remote, isn't it? Oh, babbling brook. Very babbly. Stay there, sheep. Oh, a little sheep having a drink, little baby one. He's going like, Mum, what are they?
The landscape opened up a little bit, but the road stayed narrow for quite a while. We had some tight squeezes with oncoming traffic, along with some sort of unexpected Porlock Hill style bends. We had a Can-Am with us, so I'm not really sure how he dealt with the traffic jams and the bends, but he made it with us.
I wasn't sure what gear there. Well, you sound like you're enjoying yourself. Are they naked? I think they are naked. Can you hear me?
At this point, I realised I was just talking to myself for the rest of the day. But to be fair, nobody listens to me anyway.
This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I think we're going up there.
So we did end up going over there for our lunch stop, which was nice to get to chat to everyone else. A lot of us were sort of in the same motovlog boat, sort of like small channels. So we all sort of shared some tips and advice, and it was really nice.
Well, that was lunch, tea break, whatever you want to call it, stop. Our cardos have become friends again. We've got to wait again now for him to catch up. Nice view. It's nice through here. Oh, it's lovely. I don't think you realise how long you're going to wait for, so I thought about saying thank you. It's really weird, the cardos are behaving this way. That's crazy, that is, isn't it? Cycling later because you've got to cycle home. I'm glad we came. And I'm glad we got this weather as well, because it would have been a bit meh. This route would have been horrible in the wet. That sun's proper hot on the back of my left leg. Not that I'm moaning.
From here we went on to the arch, which isn't far from the Devil's Bridge, which is pretty well known amongst a lot of bikers, I think. It was built in 1810 apparently to commemorate George III's Jubilee.
That was really nice. And a little bit challenging, you know? It's like the first stop, we didn't stop for 2.5 hours, but it didn't feel like you hadn't stopped. Sorry, a bit's falling off. Yeah, you said I'm breaking up? That was wasted. That's a cool place on the left there, I like that. The Count House. So I wonder if it was an old counting house.
So we made it up to the arch. We didn't take the normal picture of us of the bike in the arch, but there was too many of us to try and do it, and we'd have just been hanging around for ages. We did manage to shed some layers. It got really warm. But it was a lovely stop, and we managed to catch up with everyone. It was really good.
This was our last stop of the day. From here we rode back along the reservoir to the start point at the visitor centre for our goodbyes.
We're Oski. I'll see you soon. Hey?
We're on the campsite, aren't we?
No, fuck off. We're in a hotel.
Wow.
In a hotel. It's been a pleasure meeting you all, and we'll see you all again.
All the best, mate.
She's getting herself ready. I'll see you soon. Take it easy, alright?
If you put on Piggy's Riders, I'll pick him up.
Well, that was the end of the Motourev day out at Elan Valley. And to be fair, what a cracking little day it was. It's a good day. Nice run. Interesting route. Yeah, interesting. I like that. I'd never known them roads were there before, so. And it took us 10:30, say 11 o'clock we were away. 11, 12, it's taken us 6 hours to do that. And we stopped for an hour, I reckon. No, it was a good day. It was a good pace, definitely a good pace. That was a good day, I enjoyed it. And they're all very nice people as well. So thanks to Craig and the Motourev team and the other riders we didn't have a chance to say hello to. We will catch you again. If not before, possibly next year at Elan Valley. But we won't be in the camping field, we'll be in a hotel somewhere. Oh, sheet's up. All by myself. Was that loud?